This video features standard and variation preparation steps. You can scan the QR code on our packaging to view the easy preparation video. Video subtitles are available in multi-languages. The current meal sauce kit will be replaced by our innovative transformation all-in-one complete sauce. Our complete sauces are an all-in-one cooking sauce that is convenient and easy to use. Explore our other complete sauces in the range. With our convenient, ready-to-eat complete curry sauce for Roti Prata, you can now enjoy Roti Prata with curry at any time of the day. You may also enjoy dipping with any bread of your choice. This curry for Roti Prata is a savory gravy with chicken flavor and chunky potatoes. We recommend Spring Home Prata, or you may use any other frozen pratas. Do note that defrosting is not required. Let's start with the prata preparation. Step 1. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once pan is hot, add in the frozen prata and pan fry. You may flip the prata a few times throughout the cooking process until each side is golden brown. Remove prata from pan. For a fluffier and flakier prata, you may clap the prata between two hands while it is still hot, and the prata is ready. Step 2. We will prepare the curry gravy. Here are 3 easy preparation methods that you can choose from depending on your preferences. For the first method, you may pour the curry sauce into a microwavable bowl and cling wrap. Then, all you have to do is microwave it for 3 minutes in an 800-watt oven. Take curry sauce out from the microwave and remove the cling wrap immediately. The second method is to pour curry sauce into a pot. Add 1 tablespoon of water, give it a little stir and bring to boil. Remember not to cover the pot. Last but not least, the third method is to place the unopened pack into a pot of boiling water and medium boil for 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes is up, you may remove the pack from the boiling water. Open the pack and pour curry sauce into a bowl. Stir well before portioning. And there you have it, delicious curry to go with Roti Prata. For a heartier option, you may choose to add meat to Prima Taste Roti Prata Curry Complete Sauce. Here's what you need if you want to add chicken. Add water and chicken into a pot and bring to boil. Skim a tablespoon of oil from the surface of the curry sauce and add it to the pot. Stir to mix well and low boil for 8 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Now it's time to pour in the remaining curry sauce and bring to boil. Prima Taste Roti Prata curry with chicken is ready to be served. And now we will show you how to prepare the curry with lamb. Here are the ingredients you will need. To obtain the lamb fat, you can trim it from the lamb fillet. Fry lamb fat at high heat in a pot until fragrant. Add in the lamb fillet and pan fry until it turns slightly brown. Then add water and bring to boil. Skim a tablespoon of oil from the surface of the curry sauce and add it to the pot. Stir to mix well. Cover pot and low boil for 10 minutes or until the lamb is cooked. Now it's time to pour in the remaining curry sauce and bring to boil. Prima Taste Roti Prata curry with lamb is ready to be served. Quick and easy way to enjoy Prima Taste Roti Prata curry. Try it today. Check out our website for more cooking videos.